Hello viewers, you are highly welcome into this tutorial. Let us solve this problem here. It's somehow tricky, but it's very simple. I would like you to just stay focused and see how I'm going to solve this. I have x root of minus x equals 4. So now what are we going to do? Now from here, I'm going to rewrite this left hand side as minus x, then parenthesis 1 over x equals. Now here I have what? I have 4 to the power of what? 4 to the power of, let me say, 1. I can write this as that. Okay, because any number raised to power 1 is still what? Is still the same. It's still that number. Are you getting it now? So now what I'm going to do next is, you can see I'm looking for the value of x. So now what I'm going to do next is, you can see if I try to multiply both these powers by minus 1, then multiply by minus 1, you can see I'm going to be having minus x. Now this everything here becomes what? Minus, okay, minus 1. Let me write it well so that you see what I'm trying to do, okay, clearly. So now you see that I'm going to have something like minus x, then here we have minus 1 over x, okay, because of this minus 1 that is there, then equals, I have this to be 4 to the power of what? Minus 1. Are you getting it now? So what I'm going to do now is that, this is power. Minus 1 is the power, and 1 over x is another power. If you remember from the law of indices, where you have a to the power of b, then to the power of c, these two are powers, okay? Or you can have it to be a, okay, b, c. Do you understand now? So that b times c, this is what we have here. So therefore I can take this minus 1 inside. I don't know, maybe I get what I'm saying. I can take this minus 1 inside so that it will be the power of x, okay, here. That is what I'm going to do. I believe you are getting what I'm doing. So now from there, I'm going to have this to be minus x, then to the power of minus 1, this minus 1 here, then to the power of 1 over x equals 4 to the power of minus 1. Are you getting what I'm doing? So now from there, we should also remember that from the law of indices, when you have something like a to the power of minus 1, this is going to give us 1 over a, right? So I'm going to rewrite this like that. Going to be minus x to the power of minus 1 is going to be 1 over what? 1 over x, then to the power of what? 1 over x, okay, equals, now here we have what? We have 4 to the power of minus 1. Now here we have minus here. If I have the same thing, okay, minus 1 over x is the same here. Minus 1 over x, we have minus here, but here we have 1 over x. What if we have minus 1 here? So now I'm going to multiply minus 1 by this one, by the powers 2 again. So this is going to be minus 1 over x, then minus 1 multiplied by 1 over x again, then here 4 to the power of minus 1, then multiplied by minus 1. Are you getting it? So now from here you can see that here I'm going to have minus 1 over x, then to the power of minus 1 times this, you're going to have minus 1 over x, which is telling us that the base and the powers, the base and the power are now the same. Then here we're going to have everything, minus 1 times minus 1 is going to be 1, then we are going to have 4. Are you following? So now from there you can see we have this minus 1 over x to the power of minus 1 over x, then equals, I can write this 4 as 2 to the power of 2. So you can see now we have something like a to the power of a and b to the power of b. The basis and the base and power the same. Then here also, so it shows that you're going to have minus 1 over x to be equals 2. Are you getting it now? Then try to cross multiply or taking the reciprocal of both sides. So it's going to be minus x over 1 over 2, then x is going to be minus 1 over 2. So therefore we have the value of x to be what? To be minus 1 over 2. Okay, so now I will give you this as assignment. All right, so put this back to this equation and see whether it's going to satisfy the equation or not. Okay, I want to see it in the comment box. Then if I found that you couldn't get it, so I'm coming back to prove this Okay, putting this back to this to see whether we are right or not. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the class, please share to your colleagues so they can benefit from it. Then follow our Facebook page for more exciting videos like this. Bye bye.